Can you hear me? How do you hear me? Okay. I guess you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, people, turn your cameras on, everybody. Turn your cameras on, turn your cameras on. Welcome back, Sweta. Hey, Anshu, Suleika, hey,
Good
Nikhat.
evening, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
I
sir.
cannot hear you. I think I know the reason because I have. Okay, now I can hear you guys. Hey, Amit, welcome back. You took a break for a couple of days. Why? You talking about? I
Hello,
can't hear.
sir. Good
Hey,
afternoon.
Roshin.
How are you, sir?
I'm very well, thank you. Everybody, turn your camera on.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sanyogita ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening, Imtiaz.
Sir, I am little busy, sir. I said camera.
So busy with what,
I'll join
Roshin?
later. Okay, sir.
Busy with what? You're busy with what? What are you busy with?
Some
Rosh?
guests are coming, sir. So,
Some
इसी
guests have already arrived or are coming?
are coming, sir.
They have not come yet.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. They have not arrived yet. Hmm. Okay, Amit, Shazia, Mahfouz, finally you're here. Apurva, welcome.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Apurva. All right,
Good afternoon,
Nausheen.
sir.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Everybody keep your cameras on.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Nausheen, beta. Good afternoon, good evening.
सर थोड़ा
Yeah.
थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा, अभी रास्ता में हूँ, मैं कॉलेज से जा रहा हूँ रूम पे.
That's okay, that's okay. Where is your phone? In your pocket or in your hand?
Hand, sir.
Then you can keep the camera on, no problems.
Okay.
Mahfouz, beta, turn your camera on. Nikhat, Afreen, Shazia, all of you. And today is the moment of truth. Okay, the questions and answers about Claudia and Andrew. You guys have written lots of questions in the group, haven't you?
Sir,
Yes.
I haven't the elementary book, sir.
You haven't got the elementary books? No problems, you'll get them soon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, Kashif, do not turn your camera off, please.
1 second, sir.
All right.
Sir, I have some problem, sir. थोड़ा सा confusion है, बता दीजिए.
Absolutely, Sanyogita ma'am, your confusion is most welcome. Let's see.
ये था she isn't like working in desert. तो यहाँ पर does होना चाहिए या isn't होगा, ये बता दीजिए थोड़ा सा. आप बोले थे जहाँ verb नहीं रहेगा वहाँ doesn't नहीं लगेगा.
Very good.
तो
Very
जो
good.
like है, जब वर्ब नहीं हो तो doesn't नहीं लगेगा, ठीक है ना? तो ये isn't like है, she isn't like होगा या doesn't like होगा?
Like is a verb, Sanyogita ma'am.
Like is a verb.
Like means पसंद करना ना.
हाँ.
First
तो
of
फिर
all, yes.
isn't लगेगा ना?
नहीं, isn't नहीं लगेगा. Isn't नहीं लगेगा.
does लगेगा.
जब like verb है, बाकी verb की तरह. Okay, let's understand. What is the negative of go?
Come.
What is the
Don't
negative
go.
of go? Don't
No,
go.
don't go.
What is the negative of laugh?
Don't laugh.
What is the negative of eat?
Don't
Don't eat.
Don't eat.
Don't
And
eat.
what is the negative of eats?
doesn't eat.
Doesn't eat.
Doesn't eat.
Eat.
What is the negative
Don't
of
eat.
goes? What is the negative of goes?
Doesn't go.
Doesn't go.
Doesn't go.
Doesn't go.
Doesn't go.
Doesn't go. So when we say he goes to the gym, what is the negative? He doesn't go to the
He
gym,
doesn't
right?
go. Doesn't go.
And this does is also used in the question. Does he go to the gym? Does
Yes, sir.
he go to the gym?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Does he go to the gym? Yes, he does. Does he go to the gym? Does he like working does she like working in the desert? I'm talking about Claudia. Does she like working in the desert? The answer is
Yes, she does.
She does. She does.
She does.
Okay. So we have one, they are not new students, but they have joined after a break. We have Apurva, we have Sweta, and they're both here after a break. Apurva is here after a shorter break. Sweta is here after a long break. I wonder how they're gonna handle this. Shouldn't be very difficult for Apurva, but I'm not very sure about Sweta.
तो यहाँ पे भी isn't teach नहीं होगा, doesn't teach होगा.
Isn't और teach इसलिए नहीं हो सकते साथ में क्योंकि teach is a verb.
Yes.
फिर
तो
be
she
verb
is
क्या कर रहा है उसके साथ, है ना?
at a school. She doesn't teach in at school होना चाहिए.
Right. और I अगर हो तो क्या बोलेंगे? I don't teach at university.
I
Right.
don't.
I don't teach at university. She doesn't teach at school. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other confusion? Anybody else? No. So let's start the practice one by one. Yes.
Sir, I watched the XTD class recording, and I haven't
It-
any problem.
You watched it.
Yes, sir. I watched XTD's videos only, sir, and I watched that few days recording also. Try to watch soon, sir.
Okay. But the sentence, I haven't any problem. Hello, Anish, you have to mute yourself, turn your camera on and mute your mic. Yeah. Apurva, you should say, I don't have any problems. If you follow what I'm teaching there, right? You should say,
I don't have any problem
what is the negative of have? What's the negative of have?
haven't.
No. What is the negative of go?
No, don't go.
Don't go.
Doesn't, haven't, का doesn't.
Please understand what I'm saying.
Don't
Please
have,
understand.
don't have.
Yeah, well done, Imtiaz. You're doing great. Listen, guys, what is the negative of laugh?
Don't laugh.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है
Don't
आप
laugh.
बोल रहे हो पैटर्न को गौर नहीं कर रहे हो पैटर्न गौर नहीं कर रहे हो सो नेगेटिव ऑफ लाफ इज डोंट लाफ
Yes.
व्हाट इज द नेगेटिव ऑफ स्माइल
Don't smile.
Don't smile.
नेगेटिव ऑफ
नहीं,
अंडरस्टैंड
Don't
don't
understand.
understand.
नेगेटिव ऑफ हैव
Have का
Don't
has.
Don't have.
Don't have.
as simple as that it's very basic the negative of have is don't have.
Yes, sir.
Now let's try again. What is the negative of laughs?
Doesn't laugh.
Don't
laugh.
laugh.
Nikat,
Doesn't laugh.
Nikat, why is your camera off, Nikat?
सर तबीयत ठीक नहीं है सर
Okay, Nikat. No problems, Nikat. आप लेट के सुनिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, okay? No issues. No problems at all. आप लेट के सुनिए, no problems. but बात सुनिए और समझने की कोशिश करिए, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anshu, where are you? In Bihar Sharif?
Yes, sir.
I see. I kind of recognize Bihar Sharif skies. All right. Where were we? Yeah. A negative of understands.
Don't understand.
Don't
नहीं,
doesn't
pattern को और कर
understand.
रहे हैं. The negative of understands.
doesn't
Doesn't
understand.
understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Negative of remembers.
Doesn't not
Remember.
Doesn't remember.
Negative of remember.
Don't remember.
Remember.
Don't remember.
Pattern गौर करिए. स्लिप हो जाए ठीक है, लेकिन दिमाग में सही रहना चाहिए.
हाँ.
जबान पे स्लिप हो जाए, इट्स ओके, but it should be very clear in your head. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the negative of has?
Don't have.
Doesn't.
Don't,
Don't have.
doesn't has. Doesn't has.
Doesn't have.
Doesn't have. Don't.
Doesn't have. Don't have. या हाँ. Has होगा तो have लग
Don't
जाएगा.
have.
नहीं संयुक्ता मैम, ऐसे नहीं सोचना है, ऐसे सोचिए जैसे मैं सोचवाता हूँ. Negative of
Have
laughs.
ना बोले sir.
Negative of
Doesn't
laughs.
laugh. Doesn't laugh.
laugh.
आपने
Doesn't
laughs
laugh.
क्यों नहीं बोला?
Doesn't
laughs
laugh.
क्यों नहीं बोला? laugh ही बोला ना, ध्यान रखें आप इस बात का. Okay.
हाँ हाँ. Does लग गया तो laugh हो गया.
Doesn't laugh. Okay.
हाँ.
तो वैसे ही negative of has.
Doesn't have.
Doesn't have.
Doesn't.
Doesn't have.
Doesn't have.
Doesn't
Okay.
have.
Yes, sir.
My sister has a car. Negative.
My sister
My
doesn't
sister
have a
doesn't have a
car.
car.
Doesn't.
My sister doesn't have a car. All right.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Afreen, thank you for turning your camera on, beta, but your facial expression is not visible to me. Maz, I can see you, but not very well. Very well. Yeah, this is better. Okay. So can you see Afreen? Look at Anshu, look at Maz, look at Nasheen, look at Aarti. I can see their expressions. I can see Apurva's expressions, but the light is in the wrong direction, beta. The light is in the wrong direction. The light is behind you, okay? The light should be in front of you, beta, okay? And there should be no light behind you, okay? And then I can see your face better, okay? Please arrange the light again, okay? Or the camera angle direction. Anish, have you reached home?
Wait, sir, wait.
Okay. Okay, the answer was not yet. The answer was?
Not yet.
My question was, have you reached home? घर पहुंच गए हो? Not yet. अभी नहीं. Not yet. पहुंचेंगे? अभी नहीं. Okay? Not yet. Not yet. All right. Let's see. रुको, मजाक करते हैं थोड़ा सा. सुलेखा, अपने हस्बैंड को पीट दिया है. बोलिए not yet. Not yet मतलब क्या हुआ दोस्तों?
अभी तक
अभी
नहीं
नहीं।
है.
मतलब पीटेंगे. पीटेंगे. Not yet.
No, sir.
नहीं ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. Not at all. पति इस परमेश्वर से लेखा. I understand totally. No problems. Okay. All right. People, where are your sentences in the group? Where is my dear Deepika? I can't see her in the class. Yesterday, I visited her. I met her tuition teacher as well. Her name is, what? I forgot. Priyanshu. Her name is Priyanshu. What's Claudia's surname? Luke. What's her
Luke.
job? She is a zoologist. How old is she? She's 41. Does she live in France? No, she doesn't. She lives in California. Okay. What's her dog's name? Brewer. Where does she work? She works at the research center in the Mojave Desert. Very good, Aarti. What does Andrew do? He's an engineer. How old is he? He's 30. How much does he earn in a day? Beta, in is unnecessary. Aarti beta, in is unnecessary. Everybody, in is unnecessary. In Hindi, we say may, okay? We say may, but in English, we say how much does he earn a day?
Okay, so.
He earns 200 pounds a day. Where does he live? He lives in Scotland. Where does he come from? He comes from New Zealand. Where does he work? He works on an oil rig. And what does he do in his free time? In his free time, he goes to the gym and plays snooker. Very good. Is he married? No, he isn't. How many hours does he work in a day? Again, you could say a day only. He works 12 hours a day. Does he have 3 weeks holiday in a month? No, he doesn't. He has only 2 weeks holiday. Okay. The spelling of 2 weeks holiday, there should be an apostrophe after S.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good that you realize it. Does he like his job? Yeah, he does. Well done, Aarti. Good job, beta. Very well done. Next person is Amit. What does Claudia do? She's a zoologist and she teaches at university. Where does she live? She lives in California. What does she study? The spelling of study, Amit. The spelling of study. What is the spelling of study, Amit? S-T-U-D-Y.
DY.
Yes. She studies snakes and other animals. Very good. Does she like working in the desert? Yes, she does. Amit, short answer. Yes, she does. Full answer. Yeah, she likes working in the desert. Absolutely. You're not wrong, Amit. You're not wrong. You gave a long answer. And the short answer is, yeah, she does. What does she do in her free time? In her free time, she writes songs and walks her dog. How much does she earn? Earns about $60,000 a year. Well done. Where does Andrew come from? He comes from New Zealand. Adib, are you here? Adib, are you here? Adib isn't here, is he? Anyways, next sentence. He lives in Scotland. What does he work? No, not what does he work, Ahmed? This is not okay. Where does he work? Because you're answering where, okay? Where does he work? He works on an oil rig. How many hours does he work? He works 12 hours a day. Hey, Kashif, how much does he earn? He earns 200 pounds a day. What does he do in his free time? In his free time, he goes to the gym and plays snooker. No full stop, comma here, okay? Typo. It should be a comma. Is he married? This is wrong. You're saying yes, and then you're saying he isn't married. This is strange, Amit. ये गलती नहीं है, ये अजीब है. Is he married?
Yes.
Is he married?
No, no, isn't.
Isn't.
No.
No, he isn't.
No,
No,
isn't.
he isn't. No, he isn't. No, he isn't.
Yes.
Okay. Rashi. Okay. Anshu writes, what does Claudia do? How much does she earn? Where does he come from? Where does he live? Where does he go in his free time? In his free time. Is he married? What does he do? Where does it teach Claudia? Anshu beta, you need to work harder. Anshu. Anshu. You need to
Yes,
work
sir.
harder, Anshu. थोड़ा ज्यादा मेहनत करने की जरूरत है. सब आगे पीछे हो गया मेरे बच्चा.
Yes, sir.
क्लॉडिया पढ़ाती है ना?
Yes, sir.
क्लॉडिया का पोजीशन कहाँ होना चाहिए? टीच के पहले कि टीच के बाद?
टीच के पहले.
क्या लिख दिया तुमने?
Sorry, sir.
अच्छा, करेक्ट करो, खुद से करेक्ट करो. Only Anshu will. Only Anshu will. Anshu आप करोगे, सिर्फ आप करोगे. Yes, Anshu.
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट करिए.
मैं टंकी फुल हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं. टंकी फुल हो गई, ठीक बात है. लेकिन आपकी तबीयत ठीक होनी चाहिए पहले. अंशु.
या
आपको बहुत पूछना है कि क्लॉडिया कहाँ पढ़ाती है, यही पूछना ना? पूछिए. क्लॉडिया कहाँ पढ़ाती है?
Claudia teach?
फिर से पूछना.
Where does Claudia teach?
इज यहाँ क्यों लगा है? इज क्यों लगा है?
Where does
है के लिए? है के लिए इज लगा है क्या?
Eat.
इट क्यों बोल रहे हो तुम? इट क्यों बोल रहे हो? तुम्हें बोलना है क्लॉडिया पढ़ाती है. क्लॉडिया टीचर्स. क्लॉडिया टीचर्स. क्लॉडिया पढ़ाती है. एवरीबॉडी ध्यान से सुनना. क्लॉडिया टीचर्स. क्लॉडिया पढ़ाती है. ठीक है. महफूज, डू नॉट टर्न योर कैमरा ऑफ. Mahfouz, keep your camera on all the time. This is compulsory. Deepika, you're welcome. Hey.
Claudia कहाँ पढ़ाती है? तो
Sir,
city.
today my camera is off.
Okay, Kashif. Claudia कहाँ पढ़ाती है? Claudia पढ़ाती है. Claudia teaches. Claudia पढ़ाती है. कहाँ पढ़ाती है? Where आगे ले जाओ. अब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. सब लोग गौर से सुनिएगा. अब क्लॉडिया पढ़ाती है, ये क्लॉडिया टीचर इसलिए नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि सवाल कर रहे हैं. तो सवाल करने में बोलना पड़ता है Where does Claudia teach?
Teach.
Where does
Claudia
हम आंटी
Claudia
को बता
teach?
देते आपके बारे में सर।
हाँ दीपिका,
कल हम आपके बारे में आंटी को बता देते,
अरे
बट आप मना
यार
ना कर दिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। मैंने घूस भी तो दी तुम्हें, चॉकलेट दिए ना, घूस दिए ना। आई गेव यू ब्राइब। ओके, दीपिका घूसखोर है। Deepika, you took bribe from me, huh? So that you don't tell auntie about my plan. But Deepika, why are you worried? When I get married again, I will give you new clothes. You know, when I invite you to my wedding, I will buy you new clothes.
ना,
Right? Why don't
आंटी
you want
बहुत
that?
अच्छी हैं
आंटी बहुत
और
अच्छी
सुंदर
हैं,
भी है।
सुंदर भी है। लेकिन तुमसे कम सुंदर है बेटा, but she's less, not as beautiful as you are,
नहीं
Deepika.
नहीं नहीं, आंटी हमसे ज्यादा है।
Really? You think so? My daughter sometimes says the same thing. Mummy is more beautiful than me. Okay. What does Claudia study? अभी भी अंशु बेटा, इसमें ing कहाँ से आया बेटा? कुछ सोचना पड़ रहा है आपको, थोड़ा ज्यादा सोचना पड़ेगा आपको। जो अभी तक पैटर्न पर करे अंशु बेटा, सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है, आप ना रिकॉर्डिंग देखो और उस पर गौर करो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ। उसके अलावा आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं है, वही है सारी चीज। मैंने कहा क्लॉडिया टीचेस, क्लॉडिया टीचेस, है ना बेटा? क्लॉडिया टीचेस। तो क्लॉडिया टीचेस का क्वेश्चन क्या होता है अंशु बेटा?
क्लॉडिया कहाँ पढ़ाती है?
नहीं, क्लॉडिया टीचर्स का क्वेश्चन करना है, इसका अरेंजमेंट करना है, क्वेश्चन अरेंजमेंट। क्लॉडिया टीचर्स ही, इसका हिंदी वही होगा, क्लॉडिया पढ़ाती है, लेकिन उसका अरेंजमेंट क्वेश्चन वाला होना चाहिए ताकि उसको क्वेश्चन में यूज कर सके। बोलो क्या होता है वो?
क्लॉडिया
नहीं होता। सब लोग बताएं क्या होता है क्लॉडिया टीचर्स का क्वेश्चन अरेंजमेंट?
Where does Claudia
नहीं,
teach?
वेयर को हटा दो, वेयर की बात नहीं कर रहा मैं। अगर पूछना
Does
चाहूँ वो
Claudia
क्यों
teach?
पढ़ाती है, वो क्यों पढ़ाती है, अभी गौर से सुनो। अगर मैं कहना चाहता हूँ वो क्यों पढ़ाती है, तो थोड़ी मैं वेयर बोलूंगा। मैं वेयर बोलूंगा क्या?
Why does Claudia teach?
आई और वेयर तो आएंगे बस जरूरत के हिसाब से, लेकिन जो एक चीज कॉमन है वो क्या है कि
Does
क्लॉडिया टीचर्स नहीं होगा,
teach?
क्लॉडिया
Claudia
टीचर्स नहीं होगा, डज क्लॉडिया टीच होगा। अंशु बेटा, क्लॉडिया
वही तो
टीचर्स
बोल
नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? डज क्लॉडिया टीच होगा। तो आपने कहना
Teach
वेयर
होगा।
डज क्लॉडिया टीच।
Teach।
ये इट क्या कर रहा है मेरे बच्चे? इट क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे? क्लॉडिया टीचर्स, डज क्लॉडिया टीच, ये हो गया क्वेश्चन। अब देखो बेटा, क्लॉडिया क्या पढ़ती है? क्लॉडिया स्टडी के बाद आना चाहिए कि पहले आना चाहिए मेरे बच्चे? अंशु,
पहले आना चाहिए।
क्या कर रहे हो मेरे बच्चे? कुछ भी नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हो मैंने जो बोला, सब उलट पुलट हो रहा है ना? Where is अंशु? यस अंशु, क्लॉडिया कहाँ होना चाहिए, स्टडी के पहले कि स्टडी के बाद?
स्टडी के पहले।
फिर क्यों दिखा तुमने बाद में? आंसर क्यों लिखा बाद में अंशु?
सॉरी सर, माय मिस्टेक।
ना 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 ना, ऐसे तो सोल्यूशन नहीं निकलता। सॉरी बोलने से थोड़ी मुझे बुरा लगा है कि तुमने ऐसा लिखा है। तुम्हारे दिमाग में ऐसा क्या नहीं चल रहा, ये सवाल है जो चलना चाहिए, राइट? मुझे बुरा थोड़ी लग रहा है कि तुमने वहां लिख दिया। क्यों लिख दिया? मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा है, मुझे सॉरी बोलो। नो नो नो, इट्स ऑल राइट। तुम अपने आप से पूछो कि ऐसा क्या चलना चाहिए तुम्हारे दिमाग में जो नहीं चल रहा है, जिसकी वजह से तुम ये ऐसे वैसे कर रही हो। यानी मैंने जो बातें बोली वो ना सुन के तुम शायद पुरानी बातें सोच रही हो, अपने पहले मन वाली, ठीक है, जो बचपन से पढ़ी वो सोच रही हो। तो मेरी बातें सुनो, मेरी बातों पर ध्यान दो। क्लॉडिया स्टडीज का क्वेश्चन क्या होगा अंशु?
Why?
नहीं 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 नहीं, क्वेश्चन वर्ड नहीं बोलना चाहिए किसी को, क्योंकि वो मीनिंग के हिसाब से होता है। क्लॉडिया स्टडीज का क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? डज क्लॉडिया स्टडी। ये बात कितने
Does
लोगों के दिमाग में
Claudia
नहीं जा
study?
रही? ये बात कितने लोगों के दिमाग में नहीं जा रही? ये बात जानी चाहिए कि क्या बोलना है हमें, क्या बोलना है हमें?
Does Claudia study? Does Claudia study?
Does Claudia study?
study.
Claudia studies में से S हटा, does आगे, बस ये पैटर्न है और ये हर जगह फॉलो होगा। मैं ऐसे ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बुलवाऊंगा आपसे जिसका मतलब नहीं पता, लेकिन पैटर्न वही होगा, करेक्शन वैसे ही होगा। अगर मैं कहूँ क्लॉडिया engages, क्लॉडिया engages, ओके, अब इसका क्वेश्चन अरेंजमेंट करना है, कैसे होगा? क्लॉडिया
Does
engages,
Claudia
Engage.
engage.
परफेक्ट,
Engage.
परफेक्ट,
Yes. Yes.
Engage.
बस हो गया। भले ही आपको मतलब नहीं समझ में आ रहा, लेकिन सिमेंटिक्स और सिंटैक्स दोनों अलग अलग चीजें होते हैं। इस
Yes,
समय हम
sir.
लोग का फोकस सिंटैक्स पे है, सिमेंटिक्स पे तो हम लोग जब तक आप मेरे साथ रहोगे काम करते रहेंगे, ओके। बट सिंटैक्स जो है वो थोड़े समय की चीज होती है। विद इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई कैन टीच यू द सिंटैक्स, कि यही है पैटर्न, हमेशा ऐसे ही होता रहेगा इंग्लिश में।
हम चुन गए।
Does she have a dog? देखो कैसे यहाँ पर आपने does she have, तो इसका मतलब आप कुछ गौर नहीं कर रहे थे अंशु बेटा। यहाँ पर आप बोलते हो स्टडी क्लोडिया, फिर यहाँ बोलते हो she have, यानी आप रट रहे हो बेटा, जो जैसा याद है वैसा बोल जा रहे हो। आपको सोचना होगा मेरे बच्चे। अंशु, यू हैव टू फाइंड द वर्ब, वर्ब के कहाँ है सब्जेक्ट, क्लोडिया का जगह कहाँ है, वो समझना होता है। और समझते हो आप जानते हो, बस लिखते समय आप ना सोच के नहीं लिखे, जल्दी जल्दी लिखे हो मेरे हिसाब से। यू डिड योर होमवर्क वेरी क्विकली। नाइस पिक्चर सर, द हटा देना बेटा सुलेखा। नाइस पिक्चर सर, नाइस पिक्चर, नाइस पिक्चर। ओके, चलिए आगे चलते हैं। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सम मोर प्रैक्टिस। Let's see. Look at the photos of Darcy Bussell and David Guetta. Look at the photos of Darcy Bussell and David Guetta. This woman is Darcy Bussell and this man is David Guetta. Darcy Bussell and David Guetta. Do you know them? Do you know them?
No.
Do you know these people?
No.
No के साथ क्या बोलना चाहिए आपको?
No, I don't know.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Don't
No,
know.
sorry, sir, I don't. No, sir, I never heard about them. Okay.
Never heard.
I think David Guetta, maybe you know about David Guetta? No?
I don't.
No, I don't know.
Look at the muffler he is wearing, man. Look at the muffler. My God, it's a very long muffler, a very long. Okay. So, okay, take a look here. What do you know about Darcy Bussell? Read this, read this. Read the information about Darcy Bussell.
Job.
Bullet dancer.
Ballet dancer है.
Ballet
dancer and model.
T is silent. T is silent.
Ballet.
So,
Ballet dancer.
चिकू, आपने अपना क्वेश्चन नहीं भेजा और मैं आप सब लोग को वार्न करना चाहता हूँ कि जिन लोगों ने अपने क्वेश्चंस मुझे नहीं भेजे हैं, मैं उन सबको 100 नहीं 200 रुपए फाइन करने वाला हूँ। कितने?
सर मैं बना के रखा हूँ नोटबुक पे, बट मेरे पास नोटबुक अभी नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं सेंड नहीं कर पाया सर। अभी नहीं, बड़ी मुश्किल से एक पार्क ढूंढ करके मैं क्लास अटेंड कर रहा हूँ। आज का जॉब कल पोस्टपोन किया हूँ सर।
ओके ओके चिकू, एक बात, आप कभी भी कॉपी पे नहीं लिखना, जो लिखना ग्रुप में लिखना। ओके, कॉपी इज अननेसेसरी, क्योंकि कॉपी में लिखी हुई चीज को कोई नहीं देख रहा, क्या लिखा आपने, गलत लिखा, सही लिखा, ना कोई उसे सीख सकता है ना आपकी मदद कर सकता है। ओके
ओके सर, हमने एक पार्टनर ढूंढा है, कंपटीशन पार्टनर।
किस चीज के कॉम्पिटिशन?
ये क्लास का।
मेरे क्लास में कोई कंपटीशन नहीं होता
सर, हम दोनों में रहेगा सर।
कोई जरूरत नहीं है, कोई किसी में कंपटीशन नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई कंपटीशन नहीं। बच्चे आपस में कंपटीशन करते बड़े होने के लिए।
सर,
मैं ज्यादा बड़ा होऊंगा तुमसे, तुम मेरे से ज्यादा बड़े होगे, मैं जल्दी बड़ा हो जाऊंगा, ऐसे कोई कंपटीशन होता है? नहीं
सर, मैं नॉर्मल कॉल करूंगा आपको। वो एक्चुअली कल्पना भी ये क्लास करेगी, थोड़ा हमको सपोर्ट हो जाएगा।
फिर से सुनिए, आप मोटिवेशन जैसे चाहे ली, लेकिन एक बात ध्यान रखें, लैंग्वेज लर्निंग में देयर इज नो कंपटीशन विद एनीबॉडी। ओके, एवरीबॉडी लर्न्स एट देयर ओन स्पीड। इट्स लाइक गोइंग टू बाबा धाम, अपने अपने रफ्तार से जाइए, कोई किसी के साथ कंपटीशन मत करिए। Hmm. Let's talk about Darcy Bussell. चलिए चिकू बात करेंगे। चिकू बोलिए,
क्या सर?
डार्सी बसल के बारे में सामने लिखा है, मुझे बताइए क्या जानते हैं आप, पढ़ के बताइए।
उसका जो जॉब है वो मॉडल डांस करती है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, बट इट्स एन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज क्लास, सो प्लीज टेल मी इन इंग्लिश।
Job, well, dance and model.
No, that's not how we talk in English. In English, we start our sentences with the person. We are talking about Darcy Bussell, so we'll say Darcy Bussell.
Darcy Bussell is a bullet dancer and model.
Ma'am,
He
ma'am,
live
it's a
in
ballet dancer, ma'am. Ballet. T is silent.
ballet dancer.
Ma'am, T is silent. T is silent.
Ballet dancer.
Ballet dancer and model. He live in London, England.
She doesn't live there. She doesn't live there.
He.
She doesn't live there. Guys, she doesn't live there.
She is from London. She comes from.
She comes from London. London. Now
But he
she
lives
live
in Sydney,
now
Australia.
she lives in
Hmm.
Sandy, Australia.
Sydney, yes, Sydney.
Sydney, Australia.
Right. Very good.
Works in
He
mainly
works in
London
mainly
and
London and Sydney.
Sydney.
Very good.
She
His
la-
language.
her language.
She language
She
is not good
speaks.
English. Guys,
Known language.
stop,
Her
stop,
language.
stop, stop,
Known
stop,
language.
stop, stop, stop.
Her
She
mother.
language is no, stop. I said stop everybody. She language कोई इंग्लिश नहीं हो सकती, इसलिए
her language.
नहीं रुकिए, she के बाद आपको वर्ब बोलना है, तो आपको बोलना है she speaks.
She speaks English and a little French.
Yes,
है ना?
she speaks
She
English
married
and a little French.
to an Australian banker,
Try again
Adam
from the
Fox.
beginning. Say Yogita ma'am, from the beginning.
नहीं, she married.
No. We will not say she married. Absolutely not.
She is married.
She is married.
She is
married to.
She is married to an Australian banker, Adam Fox. And she have
She
two
have
daughters,
two daughters.
Phoebe and Joe.
Not have has. He has.
Two daughters.
In her free time, she writes stories about ballet for children.
For children.
Good correction, Sweta. Good correction, beta. Okay, she have two daughters or she has two daughters? Which is correct?
She have two daughters.
She have.
He has two daughters.
She have two daughters or she has two daughters?
She has two daughters.
She has, sir, has.
She has
Two daughters.
Some people believe, some people think because दो बेटियां हैं, two daughters, तो have लगा देना चाहिए.
नहीं, she has
She has
two daughters.
Yes, no, she has.
She has two daughters.
ये has क्यों बोलेंगे पता है ना? क्योंकि जब भी she बोलते हैं तो verb s पे
she
खत्म
के
होना
साथ
चाहिए.
has लगेगा.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलना, ऐसे नहीं बोलना है संयुक्ता मैम. she के साथ has लगेगा, नहीं बोलना है. आपको ऐसा नहीं बोलना था, आपको वो बोलना जो मैंने बताया. जब he she it सब्जेक्ट होते हैं तो verb s पे खत्म होता है. अब बताइए she lives, she goes, सब s पे खत्म होते हैं ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो has भी s पे खत्म होना चाहिए, इसलिए has ना कि have.
Yes.
Okay. चलो ठीक है फिर. Let's move on. And now I'll invite Shweta to speak about David Guetta.
David Guetta is a DJ superstar. DJ disc jockey. His job is DJ disc jockey.
Okay,
He belongs to France
very good.
and now he is in Paris. Place of work all over the world. His place of work is all over the world.
No, that's not how people talk in English.
Okay.
He works.
He works
He
all over
works.
the
all
world.
over the
That's
world.
better.
He works all over the world.
Ibiza, Miami, Mauritius.
Hmm.
He knows 2 languages. Yes, he
I-
speaks 2 languages,
Better.
French and
Better.
English.
Hmm.
He's married to Kathy from Senegal. He's married to Kathy. Kathy, I think it's a religion.
It's a
Kathy, it's a girl name or it's a religion? I don't understand here.
what do you think? She's married to Kathy.
Yeah.
What do you
He's
think?
from
He
Senegal.
is married. He is married to Kathy.
He is married to
He is
Kathy,
married.
right?
He is married
Yes.
to Kathy from
So what do you think Kathy is? Kathy is the name of a
Single.
girl?
Girl,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes.
And from Senegal, a son.
from
She's from Senegal. Kathy is
Senegal.
from Senegal.
She's from Senegal.
Hmm.
Like his wife is from
Kathy is
Senegal,
from
Very
and
good.
he has a son,
Hmm.
Elvis, and a daughter, Angie.
Very good.
And he writes songs and likes playing music. He likes in his free time write song and like
Sweta, you're
in his
messing up
free
now.
time
In his free time.
so in free time.
Right.
write songs
He do
and
a
like
lot
playing
of
music
things
for
in his
Like
free time,
playing
Very
music
good.
for his friends.
such as he writes song and likes playing music for his friends.
Very good. Well done. So David Guetta in his free time writes songs and likes playing music for his friends. Okay. People, I'm gonna create breakout rooms for you. And you guys are going to talk about Darcy Bussell and David Guetta. Remember, don't just read, talk. For example, I'll show you. Suppose I'm your partner and I decide to speak about Darcy Bussell. So I start. Darcy Bussell is a ballet dancer and model. She comes from London, England, but now she lives in Sydney, Australia. She works mainly in London and Sydney, and she speaks English. It is her mother tongue, and she also speaks a little French. She's married. Her husband is a banker. He's from Australia. His name is Adam Forbes. She has 2 daughters. Their names are Phoebe and Zoe. मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है, ध्यान रखना, okay?
yes sir, yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
everybody notice, I'm not reading. In her free time, she writes songs about ballet for children. हम पढ़ नहीं रहे, हम
Yes.
sentence बता रहे आपको, इसके बारे में बता रहे, okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, David Guetta. David Guetta is a DJ. He's very, very famous. He comes from France. And he lives in Paris, the capital. He works all over the world, in Ibiza, in Miami, in Mauritius, and many other places. He speaks 2 languages. French is his first language, his mother tongue, and he also speaks English. He's also married. He's married to a woman. Her name is Kathy, and she's from Senegal.
From Senegal.
He has a son. His name is Tim Elvis, and he has a daughter. Her name is Angie. In his free time, he writes songs and also enjoys playing music for his friends. Did you notice that I did not read? I used the information to talk about the 2 people.
Yes, sir.
So I expect you guys will do the same, all right? You will talk to a partner about these 2 people. I am going to put both the pictures and the information in the group. If you don't have the book, you can look at the page I'm sharing.
Sir,
Yes,
I'm only listening.
I'm only going to listen. Okay, shall I open the rooms, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Kashif is
Yes,
going to
sir.
only listen, so Kashif's partner, he needs to be somewhere else. Hmm. Just a second. Adib, are you here in the class?
Yes, sir.
What is your name here in the class today? Adib Akram. Why can't I see you? Yeah, I did find you.
सर
Yes.
इतना देर से हम सर 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 कह रहे से सुनाई नहीं आया
I'm so sorry,
आवाज नहीं
Bitra.
आई।
I couldn't
म्यूट
hear
करके
you.
चिल्ला रही हो।
Okay, shall I open the rooms, guys?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and practice. Anish, accept the invitation. Everybody, accept the invitation on your screen to join the breakout rooms. Nausheen, Devendra, Imtiaz, Mahfouz, Arti, Nikhat, Suleikha, all of you guys are stuck here. What do I do? My goodness. So many people. Okay. Go to room number 9. Room number 9. Okay. And now Zeba. Zeba, go to room number 3. And what happened to you all? Suleikha, Arti, Nausheen, Mahfouz, Imtiaz. Can you hear me? Devendra? Can you hear me? Anybody? I think you guys have bad internet today. Rasheen, Mazhar. Rosh. कर रहे हैं हम लोग। हाँ निखत बताइए क्या सीख रहे हैं अभी हम लोग। मेरी आवाज आ रही है निखत?
जी सर आ रही है।
बताइए, आप कुछ बोली नहीं।
नहीं समझ में आया सर।
ऐसा हाँ, लाफ मतलब क्या होता है?
लाफिंग हंसना सर।
तो अगर आई लाफ बोलेंगे तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा निखत?
मैं हंस रही हूँ।
मैं
हंस रही हूँ।
नहीं, इसका मतलब होता है मैं हंसती हूँ। मैं हंस रही हूँ नहीं, मैं हंसती हूँ।
अच्छा।
हम्म। सुलेखा, कैन यू हियर मी? सुलेखा, मेरी आवाज आ रही है बेटा? मैं आपको ब्रेकआउट रूम में डाल रहा हूँ
यस
सुलेखा। ओके, वेट।
यस सर, मेरा तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्या हो गया मोबाइल।
आपने स्टार्ट किया, रीस्टार्ट किया फोन?
यस सर।
अच्छा, तो अब आप आ गए ना? तो वैसे ही हमेशा जब भी मुश्किल हो ना,
यस सर।
रीस्टार्ट कर लीजिएगा। ओके।
ओके सर।
निखत,
जी सर।
राइट मतलब?
राइट मीन्स सही सर।
लिखना।
और लिखना, सॉरी सर।
आई राइट मतलब? नहीं पता तो आप बोल सकते नहीं समझ में आ रहा।
लिखती हूँ।
आई राइट मतलब?
मैं लिखती हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। अब बताइए आई सिंग मतलब क्या होगा?
मैं गाना गाती हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया। आई कुक?
आई कुकिंग। मैं खाती।
आई कुक?
आई कुक। कुकिंग, खाना। मैं खाती हूँ।
मैं खाती हूँ। आई ईट मतलब?
आई ईट मतलब मैं खाती हूँ। आई कुकिंग मीन्स
आई कुकिंग नहीं,
मैं।
आई कुकिंग कब मैंने बोला? कुकिंग कब बोला
आई
मैंने?
कुक। आई कुक।
आई कुक।
आई कुक।
Sir, I'm done with my friends.
You shouldn't leave the breakout room.
Yeah.
Go back to the room. Imtiaz, go back.
Yes, sir.
Go back.
Sir, but my partner Afreen is also leave the class, breakout room.
She's in another room now. She's practicing with somebody else. You still have somebody there now?
Yeah.
Who was your partner? Dharmendra.
Yeah, yeah.
Why did you leave him?
Yes, sir, I am.
Go back. हाँ निखर, आई राइट मतलब क्या होगा? मैं लिखती हूँ। आई कुक मतलब?
आई कुक मैं खाना बनाती हूँ सर।
मैं खाना बनाती हूँ। आई कुक। ओके।
जी।
आई शाउट?
आई शॉट।
शाउट मतलब चिल्लाना।
मैं
अनम्यूट करिए। आई शाउट मतलब?
मैं चिल्लाती हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया। यू शाउट मतलब?
तुम चिल्लाती हो।
बहुत बढ़िया। वी शाउट मतलब?
वी शॉट। हम लोग चिल्लाते हैं।
बहुत बढ़िया। दे शाउट?
प्ले शॉट।
They shout. They.
दे
हम्म,
वे लोग चिल्लाते हैं।
बहुत बढ़िया। और अगर बोलना है मेरी बहन चिल्लाती है तो
माय सिस्टर इज शॉर्ट।
इस कहाँ से आया? मैंने अभी इस बोला था, आई एम शाउट
नहीं
बोला
सर,
था।
नहीं सर,
तो आपने इस क्यों लाया बीच में? मैंने जब कहा था आई शाउट, यू शाउट, एम और आर तो नहीं था बीच में, था क्या?
नहीं सर।
तो फिर तुम कैसे ले आई माई सिस्टर में इज, ये बताओ।
माय सिस्टर शॉर्ट होगा सर।
ठीक है, खाली शाउट में एस लगा लो। क्या करोगी?
एस।
माई सिस्टर शाउट्स
अच्छा, माय सिस्टर शॉर्ट्स।
मतलब,
ओके सर।
मतलब माई सिस्टर शाउट्स मतलब क्या हुआ?
मेरी बहन चिल्लाती है।
बहुत बढ़िया। अब आप बोलो, मेरी बहन लिखती है।
मेरी बहन
लिखती है।
मेरी बहन लिखती है। बहन लिखती है। माय सिस्टर से राइट।
बहुत बढ़िया। मेरी बहन लंबी है।
मेरी बहन लंबी है। माय सिस्टर टॉल।
इसमें इस बोलना पड़ेगा, पता है क्यों?
क्यों सर?
क्योंकि टॉल एक एडजेक्टिव है, वो वर्ब नहीं है। टॉल क्या
अच्छा
है?
सर, एडजेक्टिव है।
वर्ब नहीं है।
जी सर।
टॉल वर्ब अगर होता तो बोलते माय सिस्टर टॉल, लेकिन टॉल क्या है?
एडजेक्टिव है।
एडजेक्टिव है, समझ गई? तो क्या बोलना होगा?
जी सर, माय सिस्टर इज टॉल।
वेरी गुड। देवेंद्र, your internet was bad, no?
Sir.
Now you restarted your phone and you got here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो, let me invite them all. निखत, सोचना मैंने जो पढ़ाया अभी उसके बारे में, okay? सोचो उसके बारे
ओके
में।
सर।
Similar sentences मन में सोचो। Easy, easy. Welcome back, everybody.
Sure.
How was your practice?
It was good, sir.
Nice. Did you find any problems, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No problems at all.
None.
Some people could not join the breakout room because of their glitches, technical glitches, network issues. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I know the solution. Whenever you have problems, restart your phone. It will solve the problem. Okay.
Okay.
Restart your phone. Mahfouz, who was your partner?
Marcy.
Okay. And so nobody has any questions. Nobody has any confusions.
No, sir.
Okay. अब बताओ कि मेरी बहन के हस्बैंड जो है डॉक्टर है, जो आपने अभी पढ़ा है उसके हिसाब से बताओ।
My
My
sister's
sister
husband is
sister's husband is
is a doctor.
sister's husband.
sister's husband is
Is
a doctor.
a doctor.
My
Is a doctor.
husband is a doctor.
अब यही बात बताना है कि आपके सिस्टर के हस्बैंड एक डॉक्टर है, लेकिन आपको मैरिड वर्ड यूज करके बोलना है, जो आपने अभी सीखा।
Okay, sir. My sister is married.
My sister is married.
My
Her husband name is
Her
her husband is a doctor.
वेरी गुड, वेरी
Her
गुड।
husband is a doctor.
ओके गाइस, आपको एक
My
सेंटेंस
sister
में
is
बोलना है।
married.
ये डॉक्टर नहीं
My
होगा सर।
sister is married
sir, there
to a
is
doctor.
Doctor. To a
Perfect, Shweta.
doctor.
Well done, Shweta. Well done.
My
Lawyer.
sister is married to a doctor.
परफेक्ट संयुक्ता मैम, परफेक्ट। देखा दोस्तों?
My sister is married to a doctor.
वेरी गुड।
His name is
हाँ, XYZ, right, संयुक्ता मैम?
XYZ.
David Guetta.
Yeah. Not David Guetta. Don't be silly. Okay. So, I'm married to a ghost.
That's not possible, sir.
You will realize it is true when you live with her too. Okay, everybody. Now, I want you guys to look at these here. Acha, wait, negative bhi to kar lo. Chalo, make negative sentences.
Yes.
Come on, go ahead. Make negative sentences about Darcy Bussell.
Darcy Bussell.
Is Darcy Bussell is a ballet dancer?
No, but Apurva, we are not asking questions. We are making negative sentences.
She
Make negative sentences.
doesn't.
Darcy Bussell
She
isn't a
doesn't.
ballet dancer and model.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? उल्टा पुल्टा बोल रहे हो. She is a ballet dancer and model. उल्टा पुल्टा मत बोलो.
Darcy Bussell isn't a singer.
Darcy Bussell.
Darcy Bussell isn't a singer. Well done, Aarti.
Darcy
Darcy
Bussell isn't a singer. She is a
Doesn't.
ballet dancer.
Darcy Bussell.
She
is
isn't
not.
lives in
She,
Sydney,
she
Australia.
doesn't live in
Doesn't come from.
Sydney.
She isn't live in
She is
New
not a
Zealand.
teacher.
संयुक्ता
doesn't.
मैम,
Doesn't
संयुक्ता
होगा ना
मैम,
सर?
She is
isn't
pale
live
dancer and a
नहीं,
model.
doesn't
Doesn't.
live.
She
Sir,
doesn't
please
live.
She doesn't live in
doesn't.
India.
Yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes.
She
doesn't.
doesn't live
She lives
in
in England.
She doesn't
Right.
comes from
Australia.
Pakistan.
She lives in London, England.
London, England.
Very good. Carry on.
She
Now
she
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 doesn't come
She
from
doesn't live in Delhi.
now she doesn't live in
London and sometimes in Sydney.
Sydney. She lives in Sydney.
Place a word. Place a word.
Her-
Place a
her
word. Negative
doesn't-
sentence. Place a word.
Her
Negative
Her
sentence.
doesn't English
French,
She doesn't
and a little
She
French.
doesn't work on an oil rig.
She
She
doesn't
doesn't work on an oil rig. Okay.
Yes, sir. She works on
She doesn't work.
mainly London and
She
Sydney.
doesn't work in India.
Okay.
She
Very good.
doesn't work
Doesn't
in England.
Very
doesn't
good.
speak. She doesn't speak.
She
Tamil.
works in London and Sydney.
And
Very good.
He
she
isn't.
doesn't
She
speak Hindi.
doesn't
He
speak
isn't
Hindi
married to Shah Rukh Khan.
and Urdu,
Aarti, hold
She
on, Aarti,
speaks
hold on, Aarti, hold on.
English
Anshu beta, don't give
and
up.
little
Anshu, सबको
French.
practice करना है. It's a small class of 25 students, okay? सबको
She
practice
isn't
करना है.
married to David Guetta.
He isn't married to Salman Khan.
Okay.
She is married to an Australian banker, Adam Forbes.
Right. She doesn't have two sons.
She doesn't
Doesn't have two sons.
She
have
doesn't
two.
have
She
two
has.
She
sons.
doesn't have
She has.
four
She
daughters.
has two daughters
She
called
has
Kenzo.
Very good. Now move on. Now move on. Everybody, in your notebook,
Yes,
let
sir.
me write. Let me write. Give me a second.
What does do?
What she do?
What
What
does
she do?
What does she do?
do?
What does she do?
देखो दोस्तों, this is question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here
Yes,
we
sir.
have question number 5 and 6. Sorry. We have question number 5, then we have question number 6, and then we have question number 7, and then we have question number 8. Everybody, complete these questions, okay? About and Darcy Bussell and David Guetta. Complete the questions. मतलब don't answer the
Sir,
questions. Complete the question. मेरा सवाल समझना
can
मैंने
I,
कहा. Yes.
Right.
What
Yes, sir.
does do?
sir, can I do in
In the
copy?
book.
Sir,
In the
can I
book.
write
Yeah,
the
you
answer
can do
in-
it in the book. You can do it in a notebook, or
Okay,
you
sir.
can do it. You can do it on Telegram and send it to me.
Okay, sir.
I'll be right back. Everybody do the exercise. Send me your answer.
टाइप नहीं हो रहा।
Sir, only write the question, sir.
Yes, only complete the question. No need to answer.
Sir,
आंसर नहीं करना है दोस्तों, आंसर नहीं करना है, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करना है, ओके?
Okay, sir.
कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन.
sir, I can leave the class, sir.
Can I can no, can I question है ना?
Can
Question में
I leave the class, sir?
Yeah, sure, you can
Because
leave
I
the class,
attend
no problem.
namaz janaza, yeah.
Please go.
I have done so.
Good,
Done, sir.
good. Send your answers.
What does do?
एक वर्ब होता है, अभी तक गौर क्या किया हम लोगों ने? एक वर्ब होता है, राइट दोस्तों?
What does she do?
सब वर्ब के पहले क्या होता है? उसका डूअर होता है, सब्जेक्ट, राइट?
Yes.
प्लीज थोड़ा सा 2 वर्ड्स का ख्याल रख लेना, उसके बाद बाकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इट्स ओके.
What she do? They are dead.
I'm done, sir.
Yeah, keep sending your answers, everybody. Keep sending your answers. Waiting for your answers.
सर हम अचानक से क्लास के बाहर कैसे निकल गया?
Deepika beta, that happens because of a glitch, you know, internet issues beta. That's the problem
आपका
with
कि मेरा?
no beta, not from my side, the student side. A lot of students got, you know, out of the meeting, not only you. A lot of students. Hey, I see a lot of people's camera off. Do you want to pay a fine, guys? Do you want to pay a fine? Atif, do you want to pay a fine? Lekha ji.
No, sir. I write in Telegram. That reason my camera is off.
Oh, that was the reason why your camera was off. Okay.
Yes, sir. I also use a notebook, sir. So that's why I
The
click
camera
the.
was off.
Yes, sir. No,
Got
sir.
it.
I click the picture.
Sure. Everybody take a look here. Question number 1. Shweta, have you sent your answers on WhatsApp? I mean, have you sent me your questions? Complete the
No,
questions
sir.
and complete the questions and send them to me, beta.
Okay, sir.
Everybody else, it's like a real class, guys. It's not a typical online class जिसमें आप active नहीं होंगे. आपको active रहना है, answer करने हैं, बातें करनी है. बस आप physically present नहीं हो मेरे साथ. That's all. But you do every other activity, everything else. just like in a physical class. Shazia, Afreen. Shazia, you did not turn your camera on today, Shazia. I will count those days. I am taking screenshots.
I am ill, sir.
You are ill, Shazia? Are you still ill?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Take care of your health, beta. Don't
Okay,
fast
sir.
too often. Fasting is good, but fasting too often is not good.
Fasting is
Drink plenty of water. Fasting means भूखे रहना बेटा, वो व्रत करना,
yes, sir.
उपवास रखना, रोजा रखना. Shall we check now?
Yes.
Everybody, whenever you have problems with the connection, switch off your phone and start it again. Thank you, Sanyogita ma'am.
My speed is not, sir.
My speed
I
is not
have no-
good. My speed
Nahi,
is
nahi.
not good.
I have no speed.
I can understand that. No problems. With practice, you will be fast. Don't worry. I was talking to my wife about you the other day, and keep practicing. Of course, गलतियां बड़ी करेंगी आप, इसमें कोई दो मत नहीं है, okay? बहुत सारी गलतियां होंगी, but you will learn from those mistakes. Shweta, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting, Shweta, quickly. सुलेखा, एक दो वर्ड्स ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. प्लीज रीड अगेन. You're doing a good job, Sulekha, but you need to focus a little more on listening, Sulekha. Focus more on listening. जो भी audio files हैं, Sulekha, please listen to them.
Am I right or wrong, sir? Please check.
I have checked your answers already, Sanyogita ma'am.
Is right.
Yep.
What does she do? Where does
No. Don't read now. Don't read now. I'm waiting for a couple of people's answers. कुछ लोगों ने नहीं भेजा. चिक्कू, आपने नहीं भेजा अभी तक. देखो दोस्तों, एक बात याद रखना, एक टाइम में एक कौर खाया जाता है. चाहे आप पूरा चिकन खाना चाहते हो, एक टाइम में एक कौर खाते हो. ठीक है? यानी धीरे धीरे करके बड़ी चीजें हो सकती है. तो कभी भी एक भी एक्सरसाइज को इग्नोर मत करना. चिकू, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है और आपका रिस्पांस नहीं आ रहा.
यस सर.
आपने अपने आंसर्स नहीं भेजे मुझे. मैंने कहा कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चंस, आपने नहीं भेजा मुझे.
यस सर, भेज रहा हूं.
प्लीज सेंड. आई एम
Yes,
वेटिंग. मुझे आपकी मदद करनी है और आप अपना टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स भी नहीं भेजते कि हाँ रिजल्ट क्या आया है टेस्ट का. श्वेता, आप अपने आंसर्स फिर से चेक करो. कोई बदलना चाहते हो? डू यू वांट टू चेंज एनी ऑफ दोस सेंटेंसेस? किसी सेंटेंस में कोई चेंजेस लाना है? डू यू वांट टू मेक सम चेंजेस टू एनी ऑफ देम?
Okay, sir, I just checked.
एंड आपको बताना है कि आपको किसी में कंफ्यूजन है, कि आपको कम कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा हो. यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. Next time, Sanyogita ma'am, when you take a photo,
Yes.
please take a clear photo. It's a little too small, the text, that the photo that you have sent to me.
Again, I am sending, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Now I can see, but next time, okay, not the bed sheet, just the page, okay?
Oh.
There is one mistake, संयुक्ता मैम.
Yes, sir.
आप लोग को याद रखना है, पैटर्न चैलेंज नहीं कर सकते, मतलब छोड़ नहीं सकते दोस्तों. जो पैटर्न है उसको कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते, उसके खिलाफ नहीं जा सकते एक बार भी नहीं. ओके संयुक्ता मैम, किस में आपने पैटर्न छोड़ दिया? किस सेंटेंस में? प्लीज चेक. किस में पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं किया आपने?
Sir, I'm leaving the class.
ओके काशिफ.
See you tomorrow, sir.
See ya. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Take care.
6.
संयुक्ता मैम, किसमें टूट गया आपका पैटर्न, नहीं फॉलो हो पाया?
Does he work? Where does he work? Where do he work? Where does he work? How many children does he have? Many children does he have? What does he do?
How many children she has?
इसमें पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं किया आपने ना?
How many children
does she have?
How many children
Does he bench?
I
What
have
does
also problem in
what
this
does-
sentence. I want to write how
Bench.
many children does
does
she
his
have,
children-
but
What's his children?
right.
His children. What's his children name? What's his children name?
How many children does she have?
What's his
Sir, can you hear me?
children name? His children name.
देवेंद्र, किसी में आपने पैटर्न तोड़ा? आपने ऐसा कुछ लिखा है जो पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है?
Sir,
कितने सेंटेंस में देवेंद्र आपने पैटर्न नहीं ये किया है, पैटर्न कॉपी नहीं किया, पैटर्न को फॉलो नहीं किया? प्लीज चेक. अनीश,
Sir,
अनीश, आपने पूरे
Yes, sir.
सेंटेंसेस क्यों नहीं लिखे हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir.
प्लीज पूरा लिखिए.
Sir, I already sent.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Apurva, I can hear you.
Sir, I want to write in number 7, how many children does he have? But
Okay.
how
I get it.
many
I get it, Apurva. I get it. You realized your mistake. That's great. You have to learn. This is what you have to do, everybody. Make mistakes. जितनी गलतियां करना है करो, बस हर गलती से देखना, ओ नहीं ऐसे था, right? Shweta, which sentence do you think you are not following the pattern?
Where does he work? I
Right.
written there like where do he work? I
तो
have to write.
अपने पैटर्न तोड़ दिया ना?
Yes.
Well done, you notice that. पैटर्न तोड़ने का एक चैलेंज करने की चीज नहीं होती, उसको फॉलो करना होता है हमेशा. Okay?
Okay, and I have one question. Where? What does his children name? Is that correct?
No, it is
what's
not
his-
correct. It is not correct,
No.
Shweta. It is not
What's
correct.
his children name now?
Yes, exactly.
So I already corrected it.
Well done, Shweta. Good job. Okay. Remember, people, जब आप लोग कुछ ऐसा पढ़ते हो ना तो लगता है कि सब जगह वो लगा दे. ठीक है, लेकिन आपको समझना होगा what you're learning. चलो देखते हैं, चेक करें.
चेक करिए. राइट आंसर बताते जाइए सर.
Yeah, everybody pay attention. What does Darcy do? Right? What
Yes.
does Darcy do? Or what does David do? मतलब डेविड क्या करता है, डार्सी क्या करती है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 यहाँ था भाई, मैंने गलती कर दी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 यहाँ है. Where does he come from? Where does she come from? Right?
Yes.
Where
sir.
does she come from? Where does he come from? Number 3. Where does he live now? Where does she live now? 4.
Sir.
Where does Darcy work? Where does David work? 5. Does he speak French?
Yes. sir.
Does she speak French?
Yes. sir.
How many children? ये सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग था, सब लोगों ने इसमें
हाँ.
उलट-पलट करा.
Yes, sir. How
देवेंद्र,
many children
देवेंद्र आप बात
does
नहीं
he
करते.
have?
देवेंद्र, ये गलत बात है. सब लोग बात कर रहे, आपने छोड़ दिया. मैंने आपसे बात की ना कि देवेंद्र किस में फॉलो नहीं किया आपने पैटर्न.
सर मैं उधर ही देख रहा था. आई एम सेइंग दैट
Akshay,
You're checking your
already
answers, you're saying?
right.
Yes, sir. I am.
Yeah.
आप बताओ नंबर 5 में आओ. Where she come from? क्या बताया मैंने? Where she come from? पैटर्न फॉलो हो गया?
Yes, sir.
देवेंद्र पैटर्न फॉलो हो गया? Where she come from? कौन सा वर्ड मिसिंग है देवेंद्र?
Where does she come from?
यस, आदत डालिए. और 3 वर्ड साथ में है. कौन से? डज शी कम, डज शी कम. वो 3 वर्ड साथ में होते हैं, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I wrote like this, sir, or wrong.
फिर से बोलिएगा.
Sir, I write like this.
हाँ, आपने जो लिखा वो गलत है ना देवेंद्र? आपने क्या सीखा है? शी कम्स सेंटेंस.
Okay, sir, I got it.
शी कम्स का क्वेश्चन क्या होता है दोस्तों?
She comes.
Yes, sir.
शी कम्स का
Does she
क्वेश्चन
come?
डज शी
Does
कम.
Does she come?
Does she come?
Does she come?
Does she comes?
तो बन गया
Does
क्वेश्चन.
she come?
How many children does she have? How many children?
Does she
Does
have?
she have? Does
वही
he
same.
have?
He has का क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? Does he have?
He have.
अभी नाम पूछने के लिए बी वर्ब यूज करते हैं ना?
हम्म.
क्या पूछेंगे? अनीश, अनीश ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. अनीश घर पे पढ़ नहीं रहे. आधे घंटे भी नहीं पढ़ रहे. अनीश,
सर
अनीश थोड़ा देर तो
सर
पढ़ लो
थोड़ा
भाई. 10
नहीं
मिनट
सर
तो पढ़
थोड़ा
लो.
भी सर थोड़ा भी मुझे पैनिक है सर, इसीलिए 6 दिन से हम पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरा अकाउंट फंस गया सर 40,000 रुपया,
ओह माय गुडनेस.
इसीलिए आपको पेमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं सर. मेरी तरफ से ही प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा बैंक अकाउंट क्लोज कर दिया.
ओके.
यस सर.
क्या गोरख धंधा किया था आपने? पाकिस्तान पैसे भेजे थे?
नहीं सर,
पाकिस्तान से पैसे मंगवाए थे?
नहीं आपको भेज रहे थे सर.
नहीं, पाकिस्तान से पैसे लेन देन करोगे तो अकाउंट बंद हो जाता है.
ओके सर.
इसलिए मैं
पता है.
पाकिस्तान से पैसे नहीं लेता. पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स व्हेन आई टीच देम आई डोंट चार्ज देम. मैंने कहा ना, फ्री में पढ़ ले भाई, रिस्क नहीं लेने का. ईडी के रेड हो गए तो क्यों आए पाकिस्तान से पैसे आपके पास? दोस्तों, ये सिर्फ ये देखना था क्या आप पैटर्न अच्छे से समझ रहे हो, फॉलो कर रहे हो? आप सब अपने आंसर्स में एक ही चीज गौर करो, क्या आपने पैटर्न फॉलो किया? और हाँ, नाम पूछने के लिए आप मेरे से पूछो मेरा नाम. सब क्या पूछते हो? व्हाट इज योर नेम? यही पूछते हो ना? ये बी वर्ब वाला सेंटेंस है दोस्तों. इसमें डज क्यों?
What's your
अनीश,
यस सर.
क्या चल रहा है?
सॉरी सर.
अभी मैं पूछूं पापा का नाम क्या है तो बोल देना डज प्रसाद.
नो.
हाँ? रात
तो
में
इस
क्या
पे
खाने
wrong
का
हो
है?
गया ना
डज
सर.
रोटी खाएंगे.
What is his children name?
What?
क्या बात कर रही है? क्या बात कर रही है संयोगिता मैम?
Children's
आप
name.
नाम कैसे पूछती हैं संयोगिता मैम? कौन सा वर्ब यूज करती है
What
नाम
is
पूछने
your
के लिए?
name? What is your name?
तो कौन सा वर्ब है? कौन सा वर्ब है?
Be verb.
तो फिर बी वर्ब से पूछ लेंगे. व्हाट इज योर सिस्टर्स नेम? व्हाट इज योर
What is her
चिल्ड्रन
sister
नेम?
name?
व्हाट इज
Yes.
हर चिल्ड्रन. लेकिन चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल है. चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल है तो बोलेंगे व्हाट आर हर चिल्ड्रंस नेम्स.
सर मुझे लग रहा था बट लिखा नहीं. सॉरी.
कोई नहीं, सीखते जाओ. व्हाट आर हर, यहाँ कोई टेस्ट नहीं हो रहा, ये सब सीखने का प्रोसेस है. गलतियां करिए और सीखिए. व्हाट आर हर चिल्ड्रंस नेम्स?
What are her children's?
Yes, sir. When I
What are
write,
her children's names, right? Zeba, did you make any mistakes, Zeba?
No, sir.
Well done. Okay. So guys, I'm wrapping up now. आपका होमवर्क क्या रहेगा?
Yes, sir.
जो मैंने पढ़ाया है उसकी प्रैक्टिस. 2 अपना
Yes.
कैरेक्टर ले लो, खुद से 2 कैरेक्टर ले लो. शाहरुख खान ले लो, कटरीना कैफ ले लो, and write some positive sentences, some negative sentences, some question sentences. It is about you. Now just do it. You have learned how to, write positive sentences, how to make negative sentences, how to write question sentences. आप कर सकते हो ना?
Yes.
yes,
Go ahead then.
Yes, sir.
Practice this tonight. आज यही करेंगे practice. Anybody has any comments to make, or shall I wrap up the class now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Chiku.
Do you call me, sir? Normal call?
अभी तो नहीं, because I have just got a class 7:03, 3 मिनट लेट हो चुका हूँ मैं अगले क्लास के लिए. So
What time, sir?
I will finish at 8:30 and then I'll call you at around 8:45 maybe.
Okay, sir.
All
I
right.
am. Sir, मैं सही बोला? Do you call me?
Now, will you call me? Will you call me?
Yes, sir.
करेंगे. कॉल
Will
करते
you
हैं कि
call
कॉल
me?
करेंगे? आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? कॉल करेंगे ना?
हाँ.
तो करते हैं का डू यू कॉल होता है ना? डू यू कॉल मतलब क्या आप कॉल करते हैं? डू यू कॉल योर मदर एवरी डे? डू यू कॉल योर सिस्टर एवरी डे? क्या आप अपने बहन को रोज कॉल करते हैं? इस तरह की हिंदी होती है ना ऐसे सेंटेंसेस की दोस्तों. करते हैं, जाते हैं, करता है. आपने कहा था करेंगे. Will
Yes,
you
sir.
call me after the class? I will call you after the class, Chico. I will call you, okay?
Okay.
All right, everybody.
8:45, sir.
Yep.
Sir,
Yes, yes, Apurva. Yes, Apurva.
sir, please send my book in my home address, sir. Now
You're gonna
now
stay at home.
yes, sir.
All
I
right. I
send
will. I will. Don't worry.
Okay.
Bye,
I send.
everybody. See ya.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Good
sir.
night. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye. Have a good time. Bye.